Using GitHub saved replies, you can create reusable responses for both pull requests and issues, allowing you to save time when responding. Let's dive into it. Hey y'all, I'm Mickey Gousset. Now today's topic, saved replies, applies to both pull requests and issues, but I'm going to be focusing on using them with pull requests. But before we get into today's topic, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That helps YouTube put this in front of other people, and it helps my channel grow. Okay, on with the show. Saved replies allow you to create a reusable response to issues and pull requests. This can save you time when working with issues and pull requests by using a canned response that you may use frequently. Once you've added a saved reply, it can be used in issues, pull requests, and even discussions. Saved replies are tied to your personal account. Once they're created, you'll be able to use them across repositories and organizations. You can create a maximum of 100 saved replies. After you've reached that maximum limit, you'll have to delete saved replies that you no longer use or edit existing saved replies to use new ones. Okay, let's take a look at this in action. Here we go. Okay, so let's get started with saved replies. So the first step is creating the saved reply. So to do that, you go to your settings on your profile and scroll down to saved replies. Currently, I don't have any saved replies, so let's create a new saved reply here. We're going to call this the looks good to me, ship it reply. So this is the reply I use a lot on pull requests when I think it's ready to be merged. So I usually I type look good to me, and then I use the ship it squirrel. And we can go into preview and see what it looks like. And as you can see, this is just simply markdown, just like we would use in any kind of issue or pull request or discussion. So you can get as extensive in this as you'd like. But this is simple. This works. This is what I need. So I'm going to click Add Saved Reply. So you can see it's going to show me all the different saved replies that I have. I can come in here to Editor Saved Reply, and it will take me into where I could edit the reply if needed. I can also delete the reply if I want to be able to delete the reply. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you get about 100 replies. After that, you'll have to remove some before you could add anything new. But how do we go about actually using this? Well, let's go to github.com/DevOpsElvis, which is my organization. And we'll go into this repository where we have some pull requests that are open. You may recognize some of these pull requests from earlier videos. And let's say, for example, that I think this looks great and I'm ready for you to be able to merge it. Let's get rid of that so that we're kind of starting fresh. And how do I use my saved reply? Well, to use the saved reply, there's a couple of different ways you could do that. The first is there's this icon for saved replies. I can click the icon. It will show me all the saved replies I have access to. You'll notice there's a duplicate pull request saved reply. This is a built-in saved reply that allows you to be able to say that, oh, this is a duplicate, and then it will allow you to select the pull request it's a duplicate of. I can even create a new saved reply from here if I want to. And I can search through my saved replies as well. So if I did a search for look good to me, then it breaks the list down to just be the look good to me, ship it saved reply. Now to use this reply, I can simply select it. And you can see it adds looks good to me, ship it squirrel. Now, there are also keyboard commands, and you may not have been aware that GitHub has keyboard commands that you can use to access different things. To access your saved replies with the keyboard commands, you hit Control period, and then you'll see on the right-hand side, it shows you what value to type to use a particular saved command. So Control 2 then adds in that command. So for people that don't want to necessarily use the mouse that much, they want to stay with hands on keyboard, you can do that using different keyboard shortcuts. And the control period, then the control number is what's going to allow you to select a particular saved reply. So there you have it. Using saved replies, you can save yourself some time with replies you make frequently to issues and pull requests. So let me know what you think. Do you find it helpful? Is this something you would use? Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.